Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the KTC 32-inch curved gaming monitor, a large curved display designed to boost immersion and smooth out your gameplay. At 32 inches with a 1500R curve, this monitor wraps naturally around your field of view, making games feel more engaging and cinematic. The QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution keeps visuals sharp and detailed, whether you're exploring open-world maps or working on creative projects. For performance, it features a 170 Hz refresh rate and a fast 1 millisecond response time, helping reduce motion blur and keep gameplay fluid. With adaptive sync support, screen tearing is minimized, so fast-paced matches feel smoother and more responsive. Color performance is strong as well, with wide sRGB coverage and HDR support that enhances contrast and vibrancy for both gaming and streaming. You also get solid connectivity options like HDMI and DisplayPort, plus VESA compatibility and tilt adjustment for flexible setup. Overall, the KTC 32-inch curved monitor delivers immersive size, sharp QHD clarity, and smooth high-refresh performance in one powerful package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.